Alrighty, it is Saturday morning, the 1st of June, and we're heading down to Murwillumbah, which is in northern New South Wales, just south of Coolangatta, for what is now called WINTERSUN 2.0. It's been a very, very big success last year, and rumours are that today, tomorrow, is going to be even bigger. So we're cruising down the highway now with a good 20 other muscle cars from the Gold Coast Muscle Car Association. It's a nice fresh 8 AM on Saturday morning, the 1st of June, and we will go for a walk and we'll check out some of the cars that are here already. We've still got another hour and a half before it actually opens. Let's get into it. Next on the list is my buddy Mike's gorgeous 1968 Mustang Coupe. Look at that. Very straight, very clean, rust-free car. Hudson pacemaker. Nice little 66. I love the colour on that. Something you don't see very often. How immaculate is this thing? Apparently all original. 1956 F100.
Just keep going all day.
Looks like it's just come straight off a farm somewhere out in Utah.
Urgent announcement.
This thing is awesome.
Giving away a black hole, no, we? Giving away. Oh, it's been key over that way somewhere. It's currently being towed away. Thanks for coming.
You left your lights on.
But it is currently being towed.
It's being towed, but you've also left
It's
your lights
an
on.
illegal, it's in an illegal parking zone right
Now off you go, Ashton, lickety split. Sorry guys, cheers. Righty, when you're walking along the infield at the show and something from a distance catches your eye, holy shit. Cheers, thank you. Yeah. Alrighty, we hear the name Lincoln Zephyr, and we don't normally think too much about it, or we think twice, or a lot of us probably don't even realise exactly what sort of models they are or what they look like. But here today there's a gentleman called Tony who has put in an amazing effort into bringing up this Lincoln Zephyr right here. Let's get into some details on this thing. I'll show you a few things. Yeah, it does. So we've got a 1939 Lincoln Zephyr. This one came factory with a V12 in it, but Tony has taken that out and put a 290 from a 2012 Ford Falcon. So all the running gear in this car has come from a 2012 Ford Falcon GT. That is just amazing. A couple of reservoirs right there off a motorbike. He's kept those visible, obviously, for access and easy fill. Brake boosters, factory air. Everything else is located under the dash. So everything else is under the dash in this car. The work in this vehicle is phenomenal, simply phenomenal. That dash, the owner himself has done most of the work to this car. He's made that dash out of paper mache, shaped it, filled it with a foam core on the inside, and then fiberglass to top over it, and then dug the foam core out. So that's a full paper mache dash, and then fiberglass wrapped. Got suicide doors, simple touch button right here, and most of the work has been done by Tony himself, except for bodywork and paint. Sorry guys. Fucking amazing car. Definitely my pick at the show, 100%. That's it right there, 1939 Lincoln Zephyr. Tony, the owner, is a gentleman. If you ever see this car at a show, come up and have a chat to him. He'll be only too happy to talk you through the car. Definitely got my pick at the show for sure. Alrighty, we are a couple of hours into the show now, and we've definitely got a bigger crowd of cars now. Things have just grown out of sight. So beautiful, beautiful range of cars here today. We'll go and have a look at a couple more and we'll get out of here, eh? This one looks black, but it's not. It's actually a very, very dark purple. What a beautiful car.
Sunday at 1:30, and my show's Love for Classics. You got an hour or so of great. Well, last time you go with it broke. Going on right at the moment over to your right.
We made it finally, the Toronto shit itself.
Yeah, I seen that, of course.
You gotta expect that.
So, other than that, yeah, coming up very shortly. Our next band is up ahead called Quad. So, hey,
Alrighty, the day has come to an end. It is 1 o'clock. We have looked around, we've seen some absolutely amazing cars here. WINTERSUN 2.0 was definitely a great success. Perfect timing, the clouds are starting to roll in, the sun's gone, and we'll get out of here and we'll call it a day. But massive, massive props to the guys and the girls that organised this event. This one has definitely been one of my highlights of any car show for quite some time. These guys have put on a great show. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you on the next one.